Hi guys, hi everyone. This is Sheetal Chaudhary, your accounts master teacher, and I welcome you all to Vedantu Commerce. We all are here for a better future. So, as you all know, we have started sample paper 2, in which we have already solved 1 mark question and 3 marks question. So today we are going to continue that sample paper, and today we will be solving 4 marks question. So I hope that now you all are ready for your boards and you are preparing well. So guys, now it's a very crucial time, it's a very important time. Please be serious and take these sessions very carefully. So I hope that all of you have also registered for V.O.T.E now. Because now we will be having only 2 days for V.O.T E, 11th April and 18th April. And ये सिर्फ exam नहीं है, this is a comeback. So make a comeback this year with Vedantu Online Talent Exam, which is V.O.T E. Because this is all free exam. And by participating in V.O.T E, you all can win All India rank. You can get guaranteed scholarship from a pool of rupees 500 crore. You can win exciting prizes daily or weekly worth 1 crore. And the most important thing, you can become CEO of Vedantu for 1 full day. And you can also win a trip to NASA. So all these exciting prizes you can win by participating in V.O.T E. So win all these exciting prizes like drone, watch, laptop, AirPods, and many other exciting prizes. So if you don't know that how to register yourself, let me tell you the process. There is a link given below in the description box. Go to that link and then enter your details like name, grade, target, and your board. After then click on register, after which your voter ID card will be generated. So once your voter ID card is generated, you have to pick up your voting days, that on which day you want to give a vote, and then it's all done. So this is how you have to register yourself for vote. Now, if you still don't have complete information or if you want to know more, then you can check out our website or you can download our mobile app for the complete information. Now, are you worried about the exam pattern? Are you thinking about that how the question paper would be structured? So let me tell you that there will be total 3 subjects for commerce students in the V.O.T E exam: accounts, economics, and business studies. Every subject will have 30 questions. So total there will be 90 questions. Every right answer will give you 4 marks. Every wrong answer will give you -1. And the time duration will be 90 minutes. You will be getting 1.5 hours to attempt this exam. And if you guys don't want to participate alone, then let me tell you that you can play, you can participate along with your friends. So go and create your own squad right now so that you can play and participate along with your friends and you all can win big and exciting prizes together. So jaldi se jaiye, register kijiye those who have not registered yet, because this is not just an exam, this is a comeback. So now starting with the today's session, as this is going to be a recorded session, so I will not be able to reply to your comments, but I want you to be very attentive. Now after this session, you will be having 5 more sessions. At 4 p.m. you will be having business studies session. At 6 p.m. you will be having again business studies session, but it will be for class 12th. At 7 p.m. we will be having class 12th new batch at 7 p.m. At 8 p.m. we will be having mathematics session, and at 9 p.m. we will be having economics session. And as you all know, this is class 12 session, and this is for those students who will be now appearing for boards in 2021 May. So what we are going to do today, why we all are here today? because we are going to do sample paper solving. So, guys, if you are new to our channel, Vedantu Commerce, or if you are watching this phase for the first time, then please take a moment to subscribe to our channel and make sure that you like this video and you share this along with your friends. Also, if you want to receive notes of our upcoming session in PDF form, then you all can join us on Telegram group Vedantu Commerce. The links are also provided in the description box below. Now, let's start this session without any delay. Sample paper solving accountancy. This is part C of sample paper 2. And today we will be solving 4 marks question. So let's start this session without any delay. So are you all ready for this session? Yes or no? Are you guys ready? Tell me in the comments box. क्या आप सब लोग ready है for 4 marks question? I hope that you all are ready. Okay. So these are the general instructions that question number 15 to 18 will be 4 marks question and question number 31 will be 4 mark question. There is no overall choice. Overall कोई choice नहीं आएगी. However, an internal choice has been provided in 2 questions of 4 marks. So you have to read these instructions very carefully because this will tell you that which question is compulsory and which question is in choice. Now starting with the 4 marks question, and our first question will be question number 15. So this is the 4 marks question which is from the chapter Death of a Partner. कौन से chapter से है? Death of a Partner से. So now in your syllabus, the capital account of deceased partner is not there, but journal entries are there. Deceased partner की capital account is not in your syllabus, but journal entries they may ask you. So now let's read this question. The question is saying that Danish, Anna and Pranjal, there are 3 partners and their ratio is 5:3:2. The ratio is 5:3:2. Their books are closed on March 31st every year. Danish died on September 30th, 2019. So the partner died on 30th September. So for how many months he was there in the business? April, May, June, July, August, and September. For how many months he was there in the business? For 6 months. For 6 months he was alive. The executor of Danish are entitled to following. So first we are given his share of capital is 5 lakh along with his share of goodwill. उसके executor को we will pay to his executor his capital and his goodwill. So total goodwill of the firm is 60,000. You have to pass the journal entry for goodwill, which will be remaining partner's capital account debit to deceased partner. Continuing partner capital account debit to deceased partner. So let me disappear, guys. The entry for goodwill will be Anna's capital account debit, Pranjal capital account debit to Danish capital account. Now the goodwill is 60,000. The total goodwill is 60,000. The total goodwill is 60,000, in which we will calculate the share of Danish, that will be 5/10. So it will be 30,000. Now this 30,000 will be distributed in the gaining ratio. So Danish is retiring and the remaining ratio, the ratio of continuing partner will be the gaining ratio. Because in this question nothing is mentioned that how the continuing partners are acquiring the share of deceased partner. So in this, this ratio, this remaining ratio will be the gaining ratio. So 30,000 will be distributed as 3 by 5 and 2 by 5 between Anna and Pranjal. So it will be 18,000 and 12,000. So this will be the journal entry for goodwill. Anna's capital account debit, Pranjal capital account debit to Danish. 18,000, 12,000 and 30,000. After that, coming to the second point. The second point is his share of profit up to the date of death is to be calculated on the basis of sales. We have to use sales basis method to calculate his share of profit till the date of death. Sales for the year ended 31st March 2019. The sales of previous year were 2 lakh and profit for the same year was 10% on sale. Last year's sale was 2 lakh. Last year profit was 10% on sale. Now, sales show a growth trend of 20% and percentage of profit earning is reduced by 1%. So, they are saying that this year sales are increased by 20%. So, last year's sale, it was 2 lakh. Now it is increased by 20%. So we can say that current year sale will be 2 lakh plus 20%, which will be 40,000. So current year sale will be 2 lakh 40,000. Current year sales will be 2 lakh 40,000. Now last year profit was 10% and it is reduced by 1%. It is reduced by 1%. So current year profit will be 10 minus 1, 9%. Current year profit will be 9%. So current year sales 2,40,000 multiplied by 9%. Your current year profit will be, current year का कितना profit आएगा? 2,40,000 multiplied by 9 upon 100. Current year profit is 21,600. This is current year profit. Now in this current year profit, you will calculate the share of Danish 5 by 10 and he was alive only for 6 months. So we will give him profit of 6 months and his share is 5 by 10. So 21,600 multiplied by 5 by 10 multiplied by 6 by 12. His share of profit will be 5,400. His share of profit will be 5,400. And what will be the journal entry for this? The journal entry will be P&L suspense account debit to Danish capital account. P&L suspense account debit to Danish capital account. So this is your journal entry and the amount will be 5,400. We have also calculated the amount here. This is the calculation. In working note, you can see we have also showed that how this amount is calculated. So I have explained to you and we have also given it in working note. Now, how much total amount will be paid to the executor? We have to pay 5 lakh capital. We have to pay 30,000 goodwill and we have to pay 5,400. 5,400 profit. So total amount payable to his executor is 5,35,400. So now you will pass the journal entry Danish capital account debit to Danish executor account. The balance of his capital account, जो भी उसके capital का balance है, it will be now transferred to his executor account. So Danish capital account debit to Danish executor account 5,35,400. So this question is from death of the partner, which is asked for 4 marks, and there was only 3 journal entry. So I hope that this question is clear to everyone. If you guys have any doubts, you can drop your doubts in the comments box. Now, next question. Now we come to the next question. Question number 16. So the next question is from the first chapter, that was accounting for partnership firm fundamental. So let's see this question. Manika, Bhavi and Komal are partners sharing profits in the ratio 6:4:1. Komal is guaranteed a minimum profit of 2 lakh. We have given guarantee to Komal 2 lakh. Now it is not given in this question that who has given the guarantee. So we will assume that both the remaining partner Manika and Bhavi has given the guarantee. Now the firm incurred a loss of 22 lakh for the year ended 31st March 2018. So यहाँ पर क्या हुआ है? Loss हुआ है. There is no profit. So first you will distribute the loss and then you will see that how much deficiency is there. Because we have guaranteed profit to Komal, but in actual there is a loss. So now first we will distribute the loss and then we will bear that deficiency. तो पहले loss को बांटेंगे. So when you will distribute the loss, the journal entry will be Manika capital account debit, Bhavi capital account debit, Komal capital account debit to P&L account. This 22 lakh will be distributed. This 22 lakh will be distributed in the profit sharing ratio. मैं भी चलूंगी. So this 22 lakh you will distribute in the profit sharing ratio. So 22 lakh multiplied with 6/11. Manik loss is 22 lakh. 22 lakh multiplied with 4/11. It will be 8 lakh. And 22 lakh multiplied with 1/11, it will be 2 lakh. So this is how this 22 lakh loss will be distributed. Now you can see that Komal is giving the loss 2 lakh. Komal ko profit to hua hi nahi. We have guaranteed her a profit of 2 lakh, but in place of profit, she is suffering loss of 2 lakh. So now we have to pay him this 2 lakh loss and we have to pay him the guaranteed profit. So now the total amount payable to Komal is 4 lakh. How much amount will be paid to Komal? 4 lakh rupees. 2 lakh profit which we have guaranteed and 2 lakh loss that we have, that she has suffered because of us. तो उसको हमारी वजह से जो लॉस हुआ वो भी देना पड़ेगा और जो प्रॉफिट गारंटी किया था वो भी देना पड़ेगा. सो नाउ वी विल पे टू कोमल 4 lakh rupees and this deficiency will be borne by remaining partner Manika and Bhavi in their profit sharing ratio. So their profit sharing ratio is 6:4. So 4 lakh multiplied by 6 by 10 and 4 lakh multiplied by 4 by 10. So it will be 2,40,000 and 1,60,000. So this will be the journal entry, and only this journal entry is for 4 marks. So you can see that this is very important question because एक journal entry सिर्फ 4 नंबर की है. So this is your answer. You can see Manika's capital account debit 2,40,000, Bhavi's capital account debit 1,60,000, to Komal capital account 4 lakh. तो ये एंट्री कितने नंबर की है? 4 नंबर की. So first you will distribute loss and then we will pay to the Komal the total amount, guaranteed profit and loss suffered by her. So this is your working note which I have already explained you that the loss is distributing between the partner. So Komal share of loss is 2 lakh, guaranteed profits is 2 lakh. So now you will pay the total amount 2 lakh plus 2 lakh 4 lakh. So I hope that this question is clear to everyone. If not, then please let me know in the comments box. I will be explaining it in the next session again if it is not clear to you. Now coming on to the next question. In this question we have a choice. यहाँ पर हमें choice मिली है. So here we have your next question. This question is again from the first chapter. ये question भी क्या है? First chapter से. The previous question it was from the guaranteed profit, and this question it is from table showing past adjustment. This question is from table showing past adjustment. So the partners of firm Alia, Bhanu and Chand. There are 3 partners. Alia, Bhanu and Chand. They distributed profits for the year 80,000 in the ratio 3:3:2 without providing for the following adjustment. So they distributed the profit as it is without providing salary to Alia and Chand and without providing salary to Bhanu. उन्होंने profits क्या किए? As it is बांट लिए. So now we have to pass the necessary journal entry for above adjustment. So we will prepare table showing adjustment Alia, Bhanu, Chand and firm. So Alia, Bhanu, Chand and firm. So salary, the Alia and Chand, they are entitled to a salary 1,500 per month. So we will give salary to them. So when we will give salary to the partner, their capital account will be credited. Alia will get 18,000 per year and Chand will get 18,000 because it is 1,500 per month. So multiplied by 12. 18,000 Alia, 18,000 Chand. Now this is the expense of the firm. So firm will be debited by total 36,000. Firm will be debited by total 36,000. Also, the Bhanu is entitled for a salary of 4,000. So Bhanu, you will give 4,000 salary and firm will be debited again by 4,000. So firm is debited by 40,000. Now we have provided salary to Alia and Chand and we have provided salary to Bhanu. Now we will distribute the divisible profit because the total profit is distributed as it is. But should the total profit be distributed between partner? The answer is no. Always the divisible profit is distributed. So you will calculate divisible profit. हमें कौन सा प्रॉफिट बांटना होता है पार्टनर्स में? डिविजिबल प्रॉफिट. And how we calculate it? total profit 80,000 minus appropriation minus salary given to the partner. So 80,000 minus 40,000, divisible profit is 40,000. Divisible profit is 40,000. So this profit will be distributed between partner. This profit is to be distributed. So now we will distribute this 40,000 between Alia, Bhanu and Chand in their profit sharing ratio 3:3:2. So 40,000 multiplied by 3 by 8. Alia will get 15,000. Bhanu will get 15,000 and Chand will get 10,000. So this is how profit should be distributed. Profit ऐसे बटना चाहिए था. The profit 40,000 is to be distributed, not 80,000. By mistake, we have distributed the whole profit 80,000, but only divisible profit is to be distributed. So now Alia will get total 33,000. Alia will get total 33,000. Bhanu will get 19,000. Chand will get 28,000. And total loss of the firm is 80,000. Total loss of the firm is 80,000. Total loss of the firm is 80,000. Now we will distribute this loss. Sorry. So this loss is distributed now. 80,000. So now the profit which we have already distributed, 80,000, it was already distributed as it is in the ratio 3:3:2. So you will take that profit back. ये profit हमने partners को दे दिया. This 80,000, it was to be distributed as follows. 80,000 ऐसे बटना चाहिए था partners के बीच में. But by mistake, it is distributed in the ratio 3:3:2. आपने पूरा profit बांट दिया 3:3:2 में, तो वो क्या करोगे आप वापस ले लोगे. So 80,000 we will take back from the partner and we will debit partner. जो प्रॉफिट हम ऑलरेडी बांट चुके हैं पार्टनर्स के बीच में, अब वो क्या करेंगे, हम वापस ले लेंगे. सो 30,000 and 20,000 we will take back from partner. Now you will compare this credit and debit side. You will compare 33,000 and 30,000. So there is 3,000 credit balance. There is 3,000 credit balance. Then 19,000 and 30,000, there is 11,000 debit balance. So 11,000 debit balance, and in next there is 8,000 credit balance. यहाँ पर 8,000 credit balance है. So Bhanu will be debited by 11,000 and Alia and Chand will be credited by 3,000 and 8,000. So first you will give salary to the partner and then you will distribute the divisible profit. And after that you will take back the profit which is already distributed between partner. So this will be your entry. Bhanu's capital account debit 11,000, to Chand, to Alia 3,000 and 8,000. This is how the journal entry will be passed for past adjustments. So I hope that this is clear to everyone. Now coming on to our next question, 17th question. So this question is from share capital. ये कौन सा question है? Share capital का question है. Bliss product registered with a capital of 90 lakh divided into 90,000 equity shares of 100 each. The company issued prospectus inviting application for 50,000 equity shares of 100 each, payable as 20 on application. 30 on allotment, 20 on first call, and balance on second call. So company has issued 90,000 equity share. Sorry, the company has issued 50,000 equity share, rupees 50,000, and the application are received for rupees 40,000 shares. Raman to whom 1600 shares were allotted failed to pay final call money and these shares were forfeited. हमने उसके shares को क्या कर दिया? Forfeiture कर दिया. And out of these 1600 shares, 600 shares were reissued to Sukuman, credited as fully paid up for 90 per share. The fully paid up share is now reissued for 90. That is, it is reissued at discount. So now we have to pass the journal entry. So let me tell you that this is not rupees. This is 50,000 debentures. So 50,000 equity shares have been issued and application are received for 40,000 shares. So now we have to present this information in the balance sheet. We have to present share capital in the balance sheet. So first of all, you have to calculate subscribed number of share. First of all, we will calculate subscribed number of shares. So we issued 50,000 shares, but public subscribe for application were received for 40,000. So subscribed number of share was 40,000. But out of this, 1600 shares were forfeited. So forfeited shares decrease your share capital. You know, when the shares are forfeited, share capital is debited. So you will subtract 1600. And then 600 shares were reissued, so you will add 600. So when you want to find out subscribed number of share, write down the total number of application received, then subtract the forfeited shares, and then add the reissued share. So now the subscribed shares are 39,000. Now the subscribed shares are 39,000. So this is the first step to do when you are preparing the balance sheet. Whenever you are required to prepare balance sheet, first of all, please calculate the subscribed number of share. So subscribed number of share are 39,000 and you will multiply it with the called up value, that is 100 rupees. So you can see subscribed capital 39,000 equity shares multiplied by 100 each. Now there are 1,600 shares. A shareholder holding 1,600 share, he was not paying us the final call of 30 rupees. On 1,600 share, we were not receiving final call of 30 rupees. So these were the calls in arrear. ये calls in arrear थे. These were calls in arrear, but we forfeited these shares. So now the calls in arrears are not there. अब calls in arrears क्या है? खत्म हो जाएंगे because these shares were forfeited. So how many shares were forfeited? 1,600. How many shares were forfeited? 1,600. Out of which 600 shares are reissued. And 1,000 are not reissued. So balance of this 600 shares will be transferred to capital reserve. Balance of this 600 shares will be transferred to capital reserve. And the balance of these 1,000 shares, it will be added to share capital. it will be added to share capital. So now, how much balance will be there? On these shares, we are not receiving final call of 30 rupees. On these shares, we are not receiving final call of 30 rupees. But we have received 70 rupees. We have received application, we have received allotment, we have received first call. So 1000 multiplied by 70, this balance will be added to share capital. The balance of the forfeited shares which are not reissued, So you will add forfeited share balance 70,000. So 39 lakh plus 70,000. This balance will be recorded in the balance sheet. ये balance record हो जाएगा balance sheet में. So this is how you have to record share capital in the balance sheet. And this information is clearly given. Authorized capital is 90,000 shares of 100 each, and issued capital is 50,000 shares of 100 each. So this balance sheet is again for 4 marks. So first calculate the subscribed number of shares and then add the forfeited balance. Add the balance of the forfeited share which are not reissued. Because the shares which are reissued, their balance will be transferred to capital reserve. So you will add 70,000 here, and this final balance is recorded in the balance sheet. Now coming on to the next question. So this is the next question. So the next question is, the firm of RKS was dissolved on 31st March 2019. Firm कब dissolve हुई है? 31st March 2019 को. You have to pass the necessary journal entries. How? मैं बस 5 मिनट आ रही करता. 5 मिनट आ रही, 5 मिनट last ready. हाँ. मैं कल मैं कहीं जाना. मैं कहीं जाना, मैं को दिल्ली जाना. शाम को सामान ले. हम फोन तो ये वो मान को बोल थोड़ी देर में सामान ले. वो मेरे पास में है. कहाँ है तू? ना वहाँ पर 3 बजे पानी नहीं मेरे 7 बजे का. फिर जाओ तो हम जरूर बात करेंगे. मैं आ रही हूँ, मेरे जाना मत ना. डॉक्टर दिखा देंगे. आप भैंस को दिखा रही हो? भैंस को बता रही. Sorry for the disturbance. So, the firm of RKS, it was dissolved on 31st March 2019. Pass the necessary journal entries for the following after various assets other than cash at bank and the third party liability had been transferred to realization account. So, this question is from dissolution of a firm. In this question, assets and liabilities have been transferred to the realization account. Now we have to pass the journal entry in the following cases. And I have told you this 10 to 15 times that journal entry from this chapter is very, very important. They are going to come for sure. So now let's start. First transaction is K agreed to pay off his wife loan of 6,000. Partner will pay the liability of firm. So now partner will pay the liability of firm. So what will be the journal entry? Journal entry will be realization account debit to partner's capital account to K's capital account 6,000. Realization account debit to K's capital account 6,000. Then the next transaction is the total creditor of the firm were 40,000. Total creditor were 40,000. Creditors worth 10,000 were given a piece of furniture costing 8,000 in full settlement. We have given furniture of 8,000 in full settlement. So now there will be no entry for this, because whenever we give any asset to the creditor, whenever the asset is taken over by the creditor, there is no journal entry for that. Remaining creditor 30,000 allowed a discount of 10%. So on 30,000 you will receive 10% discount, that is 3,000, and the balance will be paid to them. So we will pay 27,000 to creditor. The journal entry will be realization account debit to bank. So realization account debit to bank 27,000. Then coming on to the third transaction, which is a machine that was not recorded in the books was taken over by K, whereas its expected value was 5,000. Your asset is taken over by your partner. Your asset is taken over by your partner. So what will be the journal entry? Partner's capital account debit, K's capital account debit to realization 3,000. You will record at 3,000, not 5,000. Next, the firm had a debit balance of 15,000 in the P&L account on the date of dissolution. Debit balance in the P&L account means loss. So loss will be distributed between the partner, and journal entry will be partner's capital account debit to P&L account. So RKS capital account debit to P&L account, 15,000 will be distributed equally because ratio is not given. Can you see the ratio? No. So if ratio is not given, it is equal. So loss will be distributed equally. See how easy it was, and this was only for 4 marks. So we can easily score 4 out of 4 in journal entries, but you have to practice the journal entries. So we are done with the part A. Now the next question will be in part B. There will be 4 questions of 4 marks in part A, and 1 question will be in part B, which will be either from comparative statement or common size statement. So now following information is given to you and you have to find out the missing figure. तो हमें missing figure find out करनी है, which is very easy. You have to use the formula only. We have to find out this amount. So this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D. So C is given. How we calculate C? C is equal to B minus A. C is 2 lakh, B is not given, and A is 10 lakh. So 10 lakh will come here, 2 lakh plus 10 lakh, B will be 12 lakh. So this missing figure will be 12 lakh. This missing figure will be 12 lakh. Now in the next one we have to calculate these both figures. Now the percentage is given. So this percentage D is equal to C divided by A multiplied by 100. D is equal to C divided by A multiplied by 100. And C is equal to B minus A. So C is equal to B minus A. C is equal to B minus A. So B is given to us but A is not given. B is given to us but A is not given. So we will apply this in formula. 20% is equal to B minus A, 12,60,000 minus A is not given, divided by A is not given, multiplied with 100. Now you have to solve this. हमें ये solve करना है. So I am rubbing the upper part, this one. So now cross multiply. 20A is equal to 12,60,000 minus A. Now A will come here. A will come here. I am ignoring this 100% right now. So 20A plus A is equal to 12,60,000. 21A is equal to 12,60,000. Now can you calculate A from here? We can easily calculate it. 12,60,000. 12,60,000 divided by 21. 12,60,000 divided by 21, you will get A. So A is 60,000. A is 60. No, it will not be 60,000. Na? Just a minute. There is some mistake. 12,60,000 divided by 21. 20 plus A, 21. The percentage is 20. Okay. When we will add. Just give me 1 minute, guys. Maybe there is some calculation problem. So this is the formula. This 20 will go here. It is 20A. 12,60,000 minus A. Minus will come here. Minus will become plus. B minus A. Okay. Minus will become plus. It will be 21A equals to. So this is 60,000. Sorry. This is 60,000. I am writing 12,60,000. This is 60,000. So now 60,000 will be divided by 21. We have to do whole question again because I have taken the wrong values. Percentage change is given 20. 20 is equal to C divided by A multiplied by 100. Now C is given. C is not given. C is not given. But we can calculate C as B minus A. The formula of C is B minus A divided by A multiplied by 100. Now B is 60,000 minus A is not given. A is not given, multiplied by 100. 20 is this. So now you will cross multiply. 20A is equal to 60,000 minus A, and this 100 will come in denominator. So 21A, just give me 1 minute. 60,000 divided by 21. There is some error in this question. 20%. So if I write it as 20%, this will get cancelled. 20A plus A, it will be 21A. 60,000 divided by 21. So guys, we have to look at this one. Just give me a minute so that I can solve the next one. 60,000. So, okay, we will be solving these two parts in the next class. I have to work on calculation. Right now, I'm not getting the logic behind it. So, sorry for that. We will be doing these two only, other income and total revenue, in the next session. Till now, we can calculate the other part. and in that you have to only find out the percentage change. So how we calculate percentage change? Absolute change divided by percentage change, sorry, absolute change divided by previous year multiplied by 100. So absolute change 10,000 divided by 50,000 multiplied by 100, your percentage will be 20%. Your percentage will be 20%. Similarly, you will calculate the percentage for remaining item. 2 lakh divided by 10 lakhs. 0 to 0 cancel. 2 lakh divided by 10 lakh. Let me write it. 2 lakh divided by 10 lakh multiplied with 100. So 0 to 0 cancel, 2 multiplied by 5, and again the percentage will be 20%. So we can calculate the percentage easily. There was only confusion in this one. So I will be telling this in the next class, okay? Because right now I'm not getting the logic. So I don't want to tell you guys wrong. So next time I will be explaining it with calculation. So we are done with this calculation. We have calculated this. We have calculated this. But these missing figures we will be telling you in the next session. So this missing question is for 4 marks. Now your 4 marks question are complete, and in next session we will be discussing 6 marks question. So that's it for today. Now see you all tomorrow at same time 3 p.m. And if you guys want to score good marks in class 12, then you all can take Vedantu Commerce Pro Subscription, in which we are providing you more than 2,000 hours of live online classes. So you can watch unlimited live classes of all the subjects. Along with that, we will be providing you more than 10 plus teachers having more than 5 years of experience. So highly qualified teachers will be provided to you, and they will continuously work on your areas of improvement. Also, we will be conducting regular test series. We will be providing assignments to you that will help you surely for scoring good marks. Now, the actual price of this subscription is 1,500, which is available right now at flat 10% discount, after which you have to pay 1,350 only. So guys, what are you waiting for? Go and take your Pro subscription right now at flat 10% discount by using my promo code SCPRO. And I would love to see you all in Pro subscription. Now for upcoming notes and sessions, you guys can join us on Telegram group Vedantu Commerce. And if you are new to this session, if you are new to this channel, then go and subscribe to our channel. And make sure that you like this video and you share this along with your friends. Now see you all in the next class tomorrow at 3 p.m. Till then, good night, have sweet dreams and take care. Thank you everyone for watching this session. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. So see you all tomorrow.